All right, what's up guys? Real quick, I want to talk to you about the cost difference between doing one of our kits or having a professional come in. So I'm just going to hit these real quick and we can go into more detail, or if you have questions, just leave them in the comments. So I'm going to start with the major repair first, the floor crack repair kit. A lot of times what we've heard, what we experienced while we were out there is people are going to be charging you probably around $600. Come in and repair the floor of your tub. So $600. That's going to be kind of common. You might be getting up, people might be charging you more like $650, $700. Just if they're coming in and they're going to fix the floor of your tub, make sure A, that they're going to support the floor of your tub by putting something under there, like an expanding foam is what we recommend. And B, you might even ask them if they're aware of a shallow layer gap, if they understand what that is, if they've ever experienced that before. I think that is a very common thing that bathtub repair professionals actually don't understand. So those are a couple things to check out. They're probably going to charge you around $600 or more generally to repair a crack in the floor of your tub. The next one down would be the large wall repair kit, what we used to consider a level 2 repair. This is major damage to the wall of your tub, cracks all the way through the fiberglass, holes in the wall, size of a baseball max, maybe a 6-inch crack or something like that. That's kind of a standard level 2 or a standard large wall repair. And I would expect somebody ought to be charging, around $350, $400, no more than that. And that's if they're coming in and they're just fixing the hole and matching the color. So on all these repairs, just know that if somebody's going to come in and they're going to try to convince you that they need to resurface the entire tub, they're probably going to be charging you $600 to $900. Just a resurface is going to cost you about $600. So any kind of repair on top of that, they're going to probably try to charge you more. So just be aware of that. There is a difference between a tub repair company and a resurfacing company. Find a tub repair company, or you can buy one of our kits for, $150, $160, and that will large wall repair done. So that's kind of the difference. Somebody comes in, they shouldn't be charging you probably more than $350, $400 on a standard large wall repair. And then you have your chip repairs. The chip repairs right now, you can get our kit for about $140 or so, or you could probably hire a professional. They're going to come in. That's probably going to cost you around $150 to $200. That's if you're a homeowner, you got one tub and I got to come to the job, fix it, and then I got to go home. That's pretty standard price, $150 to $200. But if you're a construction company, this is where we can save you a ton of money, especially with our chip repair kit, is you can fix a lot of chips with our chip repair kit. So if you've got 10 damaged tubs that you just put into a apartment complex and they all got chips on them and stuff like that, they're all the same color, which is important if you're going to repair a bunch of them with our kit. They're all the same color. You can go in and you should be able to repair probably 10 tubs with one of our kits. And so that'll save you a ton of money. If you have somebody else come in to do a lot of tubs like that, they're probably going to charge you something like $75 per tub. And so that would add up. 75 times 10 would be $750 as opposed to maybe $140 and sending one of your guys through to fix it. So save you a lot of money there. That's really the basics. Most companies are going to come in. Just make sure they're a tub repair company that will repair the damage, but then also match the color and just do a spot repair. We just caution you, you don't have to resurface the entire tub because you have damage in one spot. So caution you on that, and let us know if you have any questions on that.